Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Zangi Messenger. The first thing you do is go to Play Store. You're using an Android phone, go to Play Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom, then tap on the search bar at the top right corner, at the topmost, what am I saying? Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Zangi Messenger. First thing you do is open up your Play Store app, and then from here you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom and tap on the search bar at the top, and then type in Zangi Messenger. Then you tap on the app. Let's see what the app is. This is the app. It's a private messenger app. Let's see what it's used for. Private messenger app where your data is stored only on your device. You'll be given your Zangi number and your login to sign into your account. If you forget it, you will lose access to your account and there's no option to restore it. So we'll use the Zangi number to make and receive calls and messages on Zangi. Let's look at the next one. It has secure end-to-end full encryption. Alright, that's very good. Next, you can see video calls in their true colors if you use the Zangi Messenger. And then it is the fastest data delivery it has the fastest data delivery technology. Okay, you can also listen to the voice in real HD. So let's go back and see. It is private, it's anonymous, no trace, and it is fast. So that was Zangi is for. Let's see people's review. This one person said there's an issue with registration limit. So bad people can also use the app. You can block users but you can't delete them. So it is easy for people to contact you on it, but you will be private and anonymous. No one can trace you, and it is fast. So you just simply tap on install. After installing, to start downloading. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to download and install Zangi Private Messenger on your phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.